Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video we'll be discussing is Whop a legit platform or just another online scam. So let's get right into it. So Whop is a marketplace platform that allows creators to sell digital products like courses, ebooks and software. It also offers an affiliate program where users can promote their products and earn commissions. But with so many platforms out there, is Whop trustworthy? Let's find out. So Whop offers several key features that make it attractive to creators. Firstly, it's easy to set up and use. Creators can list their products in a few simple steps, and there is no monthly fee to get started. So is Whop legit? Based on user review and feedback, Whop seems to be a reputable platform with a solid track record. Many users praise the easy-to-use interface with the ability to generate revenue without upfront cost. While Whop offers a lot of benefits, there are some risks. The platform does take a small transaction fee, and depending on your product type, the fee can add up. So, is Whop a legit or a scam? Based on the evidence, Whop is a legit platform that offers great opportunities for creators and affiliate alike. It's not perfect, but its certainty is a solid choice if you're looking to sell or promote digital products online. And with that, I hope this video was helpful for you in getting to know is Whop is legit or not. Thank you so much for watching.